define rated transformation ratio and actual transformation ratio for current transformer. So rated transformation ratio is defined as the ratio of the rated primary current and the rated secondary current is known as the rated transformation ratio. And actual transformation ratio means it is a ratio of actual primary current and the actual secondary current is known as the actual transformation ratio. The rated condition means the ideal or the marked condition from where the transformation ratio is calculated or given by the rated primary current to the rated secondary current. Whereas in case of the actual transformation ratio, it is calculated from the actual value of the primary current and the actual value of the secondary current that is measured. So the ratio of actual quantities is termed as the actual transformation ratio, whereas the rated ratio is known as the rated transformation ratio of the primary current to the secondary current.